Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me on our device, and as you can see, I have Honor 70 Lite, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on the smartphone. To do it, first you need to open the control panel and disable all unnecessary features. So all features you don't need right now, disable. Disable location services. Oh, turn on. I need to click close. Disable Bluetooth if you don't need it right now. Disable Wi-Fi, newbie share, personal hotspot, and Honor share. And here on this device we have just normal IPS screen, so we don't need to enable the dark mode because it's useless. Of course, if you like, you can enable, but it's useless to improve battery life. And the last thing you can do is to open the battery and disable performance mode and just enable the power saving mode. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.